How to reset Arris SURFboard router to its factory default settings. Step 1. Make sure your Arris router is powered on. Step 2. Find the reset button, usually a small pinhole located on the back of your router. Step 3. Now, take a sharp object like a paperclip or pin to press the reset button. Step 4. Press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds. You'll notice the lights on your router blink, which means the reset is happening. Step 5. After releasing the button, wait for the router to reboot. This can take a couple of minutes. Once it's done, the router will be back to its factory default settings. And that's it. Your Arris SURFboard router is now reset to factory settings.